Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look. There's going to be alcohol, tobacco, and bad language use. If you can't handle that, then bounce now, because here I come in 3 seconds. 2, 1, bang! Welcome, brothers and sisters. All right. Hello, my name's Shamar. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. We have a great show for you today. Bang! First of all, let's start off with a little house cleaning, though. So, guys, I don't know what happened last night. But so the comment section of last night's show, I don't know what happened. I mean, maybe none of you commented, but it says 0 comments in there. And somehow I think I might have pressed something that might have messed something up for the comments. So if you commented last night and it didn't show up or something, it's not because I clicked it off or anything. I don't know what I did, or I don't know what happened. Or maybe YouTube just didn't let the comments go through last night or something. So I woke up today to do my comments and I saw 0. I've never once had 0 comments on a show. So, I mean, maybe you guys just were like, yeah, that was a boring show. I have nothing to say to you. In that case, well, okay, guys, sorry. But somehow I don't think that's true. And so if you commented last night, believe me, I'm in no way dissing you or turned off your comment or anything like that, erased your comment or anything like that. Just something happened last night, and there were no comments today. Okay, so today I'm going to upload this video, and hopefully everything will be all right. Hopefully everything will be all right. All right, so, but just so I want to apologize if you felt offended or you felt like, what the fuck, why didn't Shamari? No, I didn't do anything to your comments, man. Well, I must have done something, but I not in terms of I didn't delete them or not post your comment. Just something happened where no comments came last night, okay? So let's try this again tonight, because the comments is my favorite part. That's where I get to talk to people, right? And that's where you give me the love. The other night when I got sick, man, you guys gave me all that love. Shamar, you get better, man, blah, blah, blah. You know, oh, and thank you for that, actually. I forgot to say that. Thank you for that, guys, for all the love. That's why I do this shit. Love and money. Bang! All right, brothers. So, though, but all right, okay? So I apologize if you felt offended or anything. I did not do anything. Comment tonight, please. And let's just get back to normal around here. All right, so bang, tonight's show. So we're going to start with a little bit of house cleaning. Ethereum hard fork is coming, the Constantinople hard fork. So I am going to show you how to make sure you have your Ethereums forked. You guys know me. I'm a major Ethereum. Well, I'm not a major Ethereum hodler, but I have a lot of Ethereum in my warehouse. And so I'm going to get ready for that. And I'm going to make sure that you guys are ready for that so you can get your stuff. Man, there might be some forks and stuff coming off this too. We're going to read about it. Hold on. Ripple lovers. Lack. You know I love to get on these Ripple guys. Well, guys, Ripple, you just got a big deal with the National Bank of Kuwait, right? For money transfer. Do you know what else the Bank of Kuwait is doing? Well, stick around and I'm going to tell you. Ripple lovers, you're going to take over the world, are you? What happened to that $500 Ripple you were supposed to have? XRPs you're supposed to have by the end of the year. It's 4 days ago. All right. Luck. And then this story, obviously it's the big one. This is the big one, was on every single website. BitTorrent, bang, launches a native token on Tron, on the Tron network. And so you're going to get paid and all this stuff. And so we're going to read about it for you. About the BitTorrent, of course. You didn't, Pollywood, Pollywood and the Tron cult members. You didn't think I was going to miss it. Oh, you know what was funny today? I was sitting there and I saw that story. I was like, oh, hell no. You know that Pollywood's going to tweet me. And I was waiting. Pollywood, I waited. And, man, all I heard was, ding. Well, actually, I didn't hear anything. I looked and I saw the message in the message, the private message thing. I was like, there's Pollywood. Clicked it, Pollywood. And he showed it to me. But I already had it, Pollywood. Bang, brother. I'm always on duty. So, Tron lovers, bang. Oh, and there's a bunch of you guild chat people who are part of DJ Pollywood's crew. I guess he has a whole Tron crew. And so he said that there's a couple of you guys here. So welcome, Tron guys. I'm going to give you that story That's the third story, BitTorrent and your native on the native BitTorrent token on the native Tron network. Bang. And then I'm going to do a little tiny thing at the end. It's not a full story, but OTC sales. Over-the-counter sales have been happening big in the crypto world. As you guys know, if you're new here, well, I'll explain all that later, but for the brothers who've been here, you guys know the real volume is about 2 to 3 times bigger per day. And so usually you never get OTC numbers. It's usually quite secretive. But I don't know, this company just decided to release their numbers. So we're going to look at them. All right, and then we'll do shout outs and airdrops. Bang. All right, so let's start how we do. We do a little bit of boom, and then we go boom, and then we go bang. Yes, brothers, we do a little bang. And then look, we do a little refresh. What are we at? 3.8. Son of a bitch, this Bitcoin. It's just hovering between 3.8 and 3.5. It just will not go anywhere. Up or down? Like, come on already. All right, let's look at the top 10 of the day, brothers. Bang, the usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum still holding on the number 2. XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Bitcoin SV, and Tron still holding strong at the number 10. All right, what do we got here? All right, so not much of a sale. This isn't a sale. This is bullshit. So let's just say, I don't even know what you'd call this. Low single digits up, low single digits down. Low single digits up and 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 down. And low single digits up and down. All right. Well, let's see who were on sale today. Let's see. Whoop. That's too quick. Bang. All right. What do we got? Oh, not much of a sale at all, brothers. All right. Top 10 on sale today. Aurora, Qcoin shares, Insight Chain, Factom, Digitex Futures, Augur, Decentraland, Aeon, Huobi Token, and Bitcoin Cash. Let's see who made money today. Oh, Repo. Bang. Oh, they got smoked. That looks like a pump and dump. Look at the look at the angle on that. Bang. All right. Top 10 earners of the day. Repo, Chainlink, Arc, Dentcoin, Revain, Hollow, Tron, Basic Attention, IOST, and Bagheera Coin. Remember I was telling you about that Bagheera Coin thing? It's just a bunch of truck racers in Europe. It's hilarious. Anyway, man, I guess Dogecoin made it. Why can't these guys? All right, luck. So 132 billion is our market cap of the day, and volume's down. Well, yeah, 14 and change. So we're just hovering right around here. And Bitcoin is 50% of the total. So, bang, let's get some house cleaning done. Let's make sure all the brothers have their stuff ready. So, guys, bang, as you can read right there. I mean, honestly, I could just move on to the next story because it pretty much says it right there. Just move your Ethereums to Binance and you'll get the hard fork. But we're going to read it. Don't worry. We're going to read it. But that hard fork comes, what about 10 days? Between 10 and 15 days from now at block whatever, when the block height reaches blah, 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 whatever, right? And so we are going to read about that. All right. So Ethereum's Constantinople hard fork gets support from Binance. All right, let's check it out. Let's check this out. Ethereum has been performing immensely well this new year, and has taken over the position of being the second largest crypto on the top 10 list. Ethereum's highly anticipated Constantinople hard fork, which is scheduled for January 16th. All right, Ethereum hodlers, January 16th, get ready to get forked, has been speculated to be one of the reasons for the currency's price pump. Binance, arguably, I think they mean the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchange, has extended its support to the Constantinople hard fork. That's what I love about Binance, though, man. I don't really like keeping my money on exchanges or anything, but every time there's a fork or something, Binance does that, right? They're very accommodating. That's good customer service right there. The exchange asked Ether holders to allocate enough time for deposits to be processed in full. So this is going to go over this period of a few days. So don't think, so normal hard forks, when we did them earlier last year, we would, we'd have our money wherever they told us to have it. Bang. The fork would happen. And then, we took our money. Don't do that. This is going to last over a few days. So it's a process. So, all right. So listen. So the exchange asked Ether holders to allocate enough time for your deposits to be processed in full before the mentioned block height is achieved. Excuse me. The company also assured traders of handling all the required technical adjustments related to the fork. And this is what Binance says. They said, we will handle all technical requirements involved for all users holding Ether in their Binance accounts. Hard fork block height, 7,080,000. Estimated time between January 1st, 2014, let's start again. January 14th, 2019, and January 18th, 2019. So a 4-day period. So make sure your stuff is there first, before the 14th, so it gets processed, and then wait those days till it's for sure done, till this fork is done. So the much-awaited hard fork had received a green light from everyone in the community. However, the hard fork might also result in several other forks. And this is the shit I was talking about. So, and Binance are like, yeah, we'll handle all those. So you might throw your Ether on there, wake up on the 18th, or when it's over, have 2-3 more coin. That'll be interesting. So listen, so the much-awaited hard fork has received a green light from everyone in the community. However, the fork also may result in several other forks. Developers and members of the community wish to carry out their new version to upgrade the Ethereum network. According to a report by Ethereum World News, since the target block height is of 7,080,000, the forking could take place before the expected time. So that's why you got to get your stuff on there now. I'm going to just put my stuff on there. I'm just going to put it on there now and just wait. Well, not now, but tomorrow when I get my ledger from my bank. Binance acknowledged the nuances of the Ether community and added further in their announcement, should there be any, so this is what Binance says. Binance said that should there be any other hard forks or airdrops during the Constantinople hard fork period, we invite these respective project teams to contact us at airdrop@binance.com for further discussion. We're going to get those if there are any. So Ethereum was at the 3rd position in terms of market capitalization on New Year's, but soon went a surprise hike. Soon after the market saw a good hike among other currencies, blah, 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 blah. All right. So Ethereum hodlers, the fork starts on the 14th. Where is it here? Starts on the 14th, goes to the 18th. And they said, have your money on there before the fork starts. So before the block height is achieved. So I would just throw it on there by the 10th and just wait. You know what I mean? Just be safe. Just be super safe. All right. So you're going to get your fork. Maybe forks. Maybe plural. What did it say? What did it say here? Bang, bang, bang. It said there might also result in several other forks. So who knows? All right. That'll be some fun times. That will be some fun times. All right, everybody. So bang. Ethereum hodlers, get ready. Now, Ripple lovers. You know I love fucking with Ripple lovers. Luck, luck, luck. And before I even bring it up, I have to say this. You're not going to like this story. Ripple lovers You had that big thing with the National Bank of Kuwait the other day, right? Yes, they were going to use XRP to move money from Kuwait to Jordan, right? That was the remittance corridor that they were using, right? But what else is going on? Do you know your enemy? Bang! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ripple partner National Bank of Kuwait ties up with SWIFT's global payment innovation. Oh, Nelly. I thought you were taking over the world, guys. Man, $500 ripples taking over the world. All right. So marinate on that, Ripple lovers. Don't worry, Tron lovers. I got a good story for you. You guys hold on tight. Ripple lovers, though. I mean, just add a little bit of realism to your investment program, boys. Just a little realism. Right, everyone's like, oh, Shabari, look. Kuwait's going to use ripples. Yeah, besides Swift, you idiot. Doesn't work like that. So, Ripple partner National Bank of Kuwait ties up with Swift's global payment innovation. All right, Ripple lovers, let's go. On January 5th, the National Bank of Kuwait, the NBK, announced the launch of Swift's global payment innovation, GPI, using the integration capabilities of ACI Worldwide's payment engine. NBK is the same bank that had launched the National Direct Transfer Service using RippleNet, wherein customers will have access to the payment features offered by Ripple. NBA had earlier tweeted, for the first time in Kuwait, send money instantly with NBA Direct Remit. Log in to NBK online banking using RippleNet's blockchain technology. NBK Direct Remit is currently available for Jordan. That's the corridor. While the partnership with Ripple is aimed for instant transactions, the recent partnership with Swift's GPI will allow customers to execute same-day transfer and use of the funds. Craig Ramsey, head of real-time payments, ACI Worldwide, said, leveraging the richer data of Swift GPI messages will allow NBK to further optimize the customer experience and differentiate against competitors. ACI said that it is the first certified vendor of Swift GPI solutions, which will allow banks to plug into Swift Central Database to monitor inbound and outbound GPI transactions. Remember I told you about my buddy who works at Marco, who works at well, he doesn't work at banks. He builds networks, but he's built a lot of networks for banks, and so he has to know the in-depths of banking infrastructure. And he told me about, and I told you about what he said about Swift, how it's like 10 messages just to send one fucking message. And yeah, it's a big deal. And so, you know, anyways, what's the point of what I'm trying to tell you? Anyways, so what's going to really happen? What he was telling me is that people are going to send value with whatever way they want, but actually it'll still be Swift's messaging, right? Like Ripple does have messaging. That's with their X-Current system, and some banks are using it, but they're using it for only certain transfers, certain types of transfers. So, you know, if you're a small business, they might use the X-Current. If you are a major corporation, like motherfucking, you know, I don't know, Volkswagen, and you're sending $1 billion, you're on Swift, right? And so that's what he showed me. Anyways, and that's how it goes. So Mohammed Al-Kharafi, General Manager Operations Group, NBK, further added, ACI's, and that's why I brought up the Swift thing. And how serious it is, do you know that, like, when he's setting up a network, he has to call in a Swift technician to do the Swift part of setting up the bank? What he told me is, if your bank has a problem with Swift, you don't just call your bank's IT guy. Like here in America, we have Bank of America. yeah, Bank of America doesn't have IT guys that handle Swift. If there's a problem with Swift in the Bank of America network at all, they call a Swift agent, and Swift flies in a person, and that person does the programming for you. Like, they're all certified and all this stuff, and they come in and they handle it. Not even Bank of America's guys handle the Swift tech, right? You have to call in a Swift technician to do it for you. Anyways, Mohammed, that's why I brought up that story. Just because I was like, wow, really? Like that? They're like, yeah, dude. He was like, yeah, because it's about the trust, and it's super trusted. And so they have certified, like, an army of Swift technicians all around the world, and they handle it. Any problems with the network, like, yeah, they're certified, and, yeah, like that. They don't just have regular IT guys tinkering around with it. It doesn't work like that. So Mohammed Al-Kharafi, general manager operating of MBK, further added, ACI's certified GPI module enabled us to configure ACI's money transfer system and lead as the first bank in Kuwait and one of the first in the wider MENA region, MENA, Middle East, North Africa region, to become a SWIFT GIP member bank, GPI member bank. Bang! So, Rebel lovers, there you go. Now, Tron lovers. Here we go. Here we go. This was on every single website today. Every single one. So let's have at it. Bang! BitTorrent launches native Tron-based token. All right. Shout outs to you guys. Shout outs. Tron lovers, everyone. I can see you guys at home. Yeah, motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah. You guys are all happy. You should be. You should be. Because you're actually invested in something that is doing something. An actual project that is doing something. So, this is amazing for you guys. Yeah, you're going to get paid and stuff. I don't know. I might throw some videos on this. Well, this isn't that. Tron's doing this other thing where they're going to pay content providers, makers. I guess that's what I am or something, or what I'm doing here. And so, man, I might, when I upload them to YouTube, just upload them that Tron thing and see if I can make some Tron. But anyways, Tron lovers, bag, here you go. Peer-to-peer torrent client BitTorrent has launched a native token, BitTorrent, BTT, based on the Tron protocol, according to a press release. The token can be exchanged between users to optimize their network speed and attain faster downloads. According to the press release, BitTorrent's first full-fledged move to begin to tokenize its content sharing ecosystem, which reportedly serves over 1 million users, comes around 6 months after the company was acquired by decentralized internet startup Tron for an undisclosed amount. BTT tokens, which are to be issued by the BitTorrent Foundation, features native TRC10 compatibility, meaning they adhere to a technical token standard supported by the Tron blockchain. BTT will reportedly be exclusively available to non-United States accounts. So, Pollywood, I know he's probably not happy, but he's happy. He loves Tron. It'll be here soon enough. It'll be in America soon enough, brother. BTT will be available to non-United States accounts on crypto exchange Binance's Launchpad program and will also be distributed selectively via airdrops later this month. So, Tron hodlers, watch out for those airdrops later this month. According to the press release, BTT is part of a broader ambition to create a decentralized content distribution platform using cryptocurrency. BitTorrent claims that its protocol, first created in 2004, is currently the largest decentralized P2P network in the world, driving 22% of upstream and 3% of downstream traffic globally. Bang! The press release outlines that BTT tokens will first be implemented on BitTorrent's Windows-based uTorrent Classic client. So go download that client and you'll be able to use it. Reportedly, the company's most popular application. I think that's what we all use, right? Is that uTorrent thing. As previously reported, the roadmap for Tron and BitTorrent's mutual integration has been formalized, an initiative dubbed Project Atlas. When the pair first disclosed more extensive details of their joint plans in September, they revealed that tokens in the ecosystem would be used as incentives. And that's that thing. I think that's what they were saying. Like, if you upload videos or whatever, you can get paid for uploading videos and stuff. Plus, you get paid. The BitTorrent part, you get paid. There was another one, but it was super techie, so I didn't read it. But there was another one, another story about this story. And you're going to be able to, so how this BitTorrent thing works is you're going to be able to pay for faster downloads. Guys will be able to pay to have more bandwidth on BitTorrent so that their downloads are faster than other people's. A bunch of stuff. So look into it more. Because there's more to it than just what we read right there. The other article, it was too techie, man. So I didn't want to get into it. But, I mean, if you're into that, I mean, look, you guys know I'm honey mining, right? Honey mining is, I got that honey miner program, and it's on a couple of old piece of shit computers I have here. So, you know, you might want to think of that. You know, just loading up a bunch of crappy little computers, having them serve, you know, being file servers for you, and hooking up to the BitTorrent thing, and yeah, just having them generating you money when people download your episodes of, I don't know, West Wing or what's that one that with the dragons, the girl and the dragons, what's the fucking shit called, Game of Thrones and shit like that. Yeah, just put that on, just load up your fucking old machine with that kind of crap and just have it making you money, right? So, bang, guys, you know, around here we try to milk this cow. We try to milk this crypto cow. Luck. We haven't talked about it, but cryptocurrency is a big old cow. It's a big old cow. You got hard forks, which we just talked about right here. Bang, right? You got your hard forks. Bang, right? And then you got guys like Bob and that, and you got airdrops, right? The free coins. Boom, boom, boom. Right? You got to milk this cow. There's many ways to milk this crypto cow. And then you buy and hold and wait for the institutional investors to arrive. That's the big money. But yeah, while you're waiting for the big money, milk this cow. Just fill up some old crappy machine with all the latest movies and you know, TV series and just have it making you some cash. I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. Like I said, I got a couple old machines right here. Some old 64-bit pieces of crap. Yeah, I'm just going to load them up and make them file servers. And, you know, generate a little income. All right, so there you go. Tron lovers, Tron hodlers. Yeah. I know there's a bunch of you. You're here from Pollywood's site, so welcome to all of you. From Shamari to you guys, bang, there's a salute for you guys. Pollywood said you guys were hanging around watching these. So there you go, man. That's awesome. So I want to just talk a little bit about this OTC stuff. I want to get into a little bit more of the technicals of the market a little bit right here tonight. And so if you're new here, OTC, the brothers, I know you guys know, but if you're new here, what OTC is, it happens in every market. OTC means over the counter. And so what happens in the OTC market is, so for instance, if I want to buy Microsoft and I'm a hedge fund, well, I don't go to fucking E-Trade to buy Microsoft, right? There aren't enough shares that I probably want. Like when if I'm a hedge fund, I don't want to buy, you know, 1,000 Microsoft. I want to buy 1 million, right? And so there aren't enough guys selling them, like on E-Trade or, you know, whatever these little platforms are. And so what you have to do is you have to go OTC, over the counter. So in this crypto world, how that works is it's the same. Like these hedge fund guys, they're not coming here and buying, you know, one fucking Bitcoin. You know what I mean? It doesn't work like that. Like they buy, you know, 1,000 Bitcoins at a time. And so, yeah, on Binance, Well, there aren't 1,000 being sold, right? There aren't enough people selling 1,000 worth or 10,000 worth, even more, right? So they have to go to what's called over the counter. And over the counter is you're not buying off an exchange from individuals like from me and you. We're, individual investors. They buy from like the miner themselves. So your Bitcoin miners, if I'm a Bitcoin miner, I don't sell my Bitcoins to, Shamari. Hey, Shamari, you want 1 Bitcoin? No. I sell it to, so-and-so hedge fund who wants 1,000. And he comes to me direct. And how it works is, so let's, for instance, Bitcoin right now is, let's look at the price this very second. Bitcoin is, where are we at? $3,856. So if I'm an OTC guy, I go right to the miner. It's through a broker. You don't talk directly to the miner. You talk through a broker. But you go to the broker and you go, listen, I'm willing to buy 1,000 Bitcoin right now for $3,000, say $600, right? So that's the other thing about being an OTC investor is you get to negotiate price because you're buying it directly from the Bitcoin miner. You're not paying what's called spot price. We pay what's called spot price. We're in what's called the spot market. So spot market is you pay the price on the spot, right? Whereas OTC guys, they can haggle, right? And some deals go through, some deals don't, right? It's up to them whether they want to do it or not, whether the miner wants to sell you it or not. But that's how it works. And so the truth is that market there, that OTC market I'm talking about, it's actually 2 to 3 times bigger than the market that you see daily. So this price right here that we see whenever I do this is the price, this is this is that, the 10 up, the 10 down thing. Market overview, I call this part of the show, the market overview. Well, you see this part here where it says $14 billion in volume. Well, multiply that by 2 to 3 times. And that's the real volume that happened today. So the real volume, what are we at? We're at 14.7. Let's just call that 15 just to round up. $14.7 billion. Let's just call it 15 billion just so I can do my math, all right? The truth is, today, it was actually $30 to $45 billion worth of volume that happened today. That's the truth about what really happened today. These numbers that we see right here in the 24-hour volume, those are exchange volumes. CoinMarketCap only takes exchange volumes. They don't know what's going on OTC. And OTC, nobody does actually. OTC is usually secretive, right? When you're buying OTC, the real reason, you buy is for one reason because you can't buy it, say, off of Binance or E-Trade, like I said, because there's not enough. But the other reason that hedge funds and that buy OTC is they don't want their competitors to know what they're doing. And so it's sort of a private market, right? I buy directly from the miner. He keeps that secret, right? He doesn't tell my competing hedge fund, yeah, do you know, Shamari, he just bought 1,000 Bitcoin, right? And then my competitor's like, oh, really? What's he doing? And then, starts digging in and getting in on my trade or whatever, right? And that's the other benefit. That's one of the other benefits of OTC. You get to negotiate price, and no one knows what you're doing. And you get to buy as much as you want because there's enough there for you to get. All right, anyway, so you guys get OTC? And so that's the truth about the crypto market is it's every day it's actually way bigger than what we're seeing, right? All right, that's just how it works, okay? So, all right. So Circle, Circle, they have an OTC trading desk, and they gave the numbers. And so what's amazing is usually, first of all, you don't really know who these OTC guys are unless you're at that level of investing. You don't even know who sells OTC. But these guys came right out, and they're just saying it. And so that's why I'm bringing this up. We're not going to read the whole thing, but just to show you guys, there's a lot going on in the background that you don't know of, right? Of any market. A lot of sales going on, a lot of deals happening. And so I just find it nice. We get to see the veil pulled back a little bit today. And, look behind the curtain a little bit, right? Like the Wizard of Oz or something. All right, so here I'm bringing it up. Here I go. Crypto heavyweight Circle stated in a blog post that their OTC, over-the-counter business, has facilitated over 24 billion worth of trades. This is a huge number, given that OTC trading volumes are not reported publicly, and there have been growing discussions about institutional investor activity over crypto OTC desks. Right? We all want to know, how much are these guys really buying, right? Because that's the truth. The truth is, fuck all the... You and I, we're just retail guys. We want to know, what are these guys doing behind the scenes? What are they buying, right? If anything. Because if nothing, then it's time to get out of this market. But as long as they're buying, it shows us there's interest, right? So Circle Trade has become a core liquidity provider to the entire crypto ecosystem. And that's the truth behind the scenes, right? Yeah. So Circle claimed that over 600 counterparties executed over 10,000 trades over 2018. So Counterparties is exactly what I'm talking about. When I buy OTC, I buy from someone. In other words, when you and I buy on an exchange, when you buy your Bitcoin on Binance, yeah, you don't know who you're buying from, and you're paying the spot price, right? Market price, limit price, whatever, but you're buying the spot price. These guys are what I call counterparties. And so a counterparty is the miner, I'm pretty sure, is who the fucking counterparty is of these funds, mostly. And what it is I just talk directly to you. Like, look, I want to buy some Bitcoin off you. I want 1,000 of them. I'll pay you this much for each one. That's a counterparty transaction, all right? And they've done over 10,000 trades like that. So these trades spanned over 36 assets. And primary consumers of the desk include miners, exactly, the Bitcoin miners, founders. So founders of these cryptos are also doing the behind-the-scenes OTC. Hedge funds, obviously, you don't want anyone to know what you're doing. Proprietary trading firms, as well, you don't want anyone knowing what you're doing. Crypto funds, and VCs. VCs, what's that again? The guys with the money. What do you call these? Venture capitalists. So Circle Trade has continued to expand despite a tumultuous year for the industry. And this is what I'm bringing this up for. Not only do I want you to learn about OTC, but I want you to get this. They're saying they're expanding. So while the price has been tanking, while you and I have been buying off of other weekends, retail weekends, these guys are buying tons off these weekends, motherfucker. Like, and from behind the scenes off miners and stuff too. And why I bring this up is, what does he say? He said, despite a tumultuous year for the industry, we onboarded what? A record number of new what? Bang! Bang! Look, shit birds. Of what? Institutional. Over a... Hold on. Hold on. Let me just hold on. Let me get fueled. Look. A record number of what? Bang! And that's what we need, brothers. We need institutional clients. So while these numbers have been going down in our faces, in the blood red markets, whenever we get a chance to get some, yeah, that's not what's going down behind the scenes. That's what's going down behind the scenes. Behind the scenes, bang! Record numbers of institutional investors are buying shit. Shh. Buying it nice and quietly, OTC. Nice and quietly, OTC. That's why Shamari's always on duty, motherfuckers. Oh, I catch them. See what I'm saying? They can't get past me. Look. Bang! Institutional clients, a record number. Onboarded a record number. And they grew their trading operations to 24/7. They're like, fuck this shit. We're just going to let you guys rock all the time. Bang! Bang! Look, look, look. Look at this shit right here. With coverage in the U.S., bang, Europe, bang, and look, look, look. I know how to use some chopsticks. Asia, baby. Bang. Yes, brothers. Yes. That's what's going down. So I want you to remember that. That's the shit. Behind the scenes, there's a lot of shit going down. Okay? A lot of shit going down. And it's up to us, bang, to keep our eyes on it, to keep the faith. Bang, keep the eyes on it. Because that's what's happening. Don't let them sneak up on you. I've been telling you to buy your large caps. Buy your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Buy them. Look, look, look. I don't tell you what to do with your money, but in my opinion, buy them. Because here they come. They're OTCing it. Sneaky. Sneaky. Yeah, and as soon as regulations come and everything, bang. They're just going to unleash. They're going to unleash. Who do you think's buying all that shit? Well, if I want to have a futures contract that's deliverable tomorrow, well, I have to have those Bitcoins in my pocket now, don't I? Yeah. Who do you think's buying all this shit? I'll tell you who's buying them. Motherfuckers who are about to make futures contracts and ETFs. That's who's buying this crap. Because they're about to launch. They know. They know. I know. Bang, bang, bang. Blah, blah, blah. I said, I think these next ETF or this next round of ETFs are going to be denied. But what about the Van Eck ETF that's coming up in February? That one's going to make it. I'm saying that right now. Bang, that one's going to make it. When it makes it, there's going to be a flood. Look, another tsunami. A tsunami of ETF and futures applications. Yeah, well, what do you think they have to do? Well, you have to have the Bitcoin to sell people. So they're getting ready now. That's why I'm here, brothers. That's why I'm here. I'm an 18-year investor. I've been in the markets for 18 years, guys. I know how it works. And look. This is some very good news. Look at the smile on my stupid face, all right? Look. Oh, it isn't even over yet. Look. Having experienced significant growth. Bang. Circle has over what? 1,000 institutional partners. And what I tell you, all over the world, baby. Bang! All over the world. This is a global market. I'm a Forex trader. You guys know I'm a Forex trader. If you don't know that, go to forexfactory.com, type in my name, SHOMARI. That's how I make money. I trade. I'm a professional trader. The world that's coming, that's the world I'm from. I'm just a nice guy, so I do a little YouTube thing for you guys to help you guys make the money too. But that's the world I'm from. Google it. Look at it. Look at the Forex Factory stuff. Go down to the, on the left-hand side of my profile at Forex Factory. Yeah, there's a thing called images. Yeah, look at them. Fuck, I have free software there if you want. Put in your MetaTrader. Good templates, actually. If you're really going to trade, you should use those templates. But seriously, though. But yeah, guys. So believe me when I tell you. This is a global market. That's what Forex is. That's what cryptocurrency is. Global. Yeah, man, we're watching the SEC and all that, the CFTC and those guys here in America. Yeah, what about the Europeans? The Germans, Stuttgart said they're going to have end-to-end solutions. End-to-end, brothers. All right, fucking France. What'd France say? They said they want to be the ICO crypto hub of the world. Right? Look, brothers. Bang! Look. Look. And so what's happening? What do we see? Well, United States, Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. Yeah. Their big boys are buying OTC right now. All around the world, they're buying OTC. Buying OTC in Europe. Bang! Buying OTC in England. Bang! Buying OTC in Canada. Bang! Buying OTC here in America. Bang! Australia, Japan, South Korea. Bang! bang, bang, and bang. OTC. That's the money. The big money. Do you see what the big money is doing? They're buying. They're preparing. They're preparing themselves. They're preparing themselves for what they know is coming, which is what? Regulatory clarity. I already told you, fucksticks. Look. Let's get real about it. Regulatory clarity. They know it's coming. They know it's coming, right? So what are they doing? They're preparing them. It's called positioning. You position yourself in the market. Market positioning. Yeah, so you position yourself now. If I know that there's going to be regulatory clarity and I want to offer a futures contract for Bitcoin, all right, well, I buy 10,000 Bitcoin right now. Yeah, I buy it right now. Yeah, and I have lawyers. They're probably writing up the applications right fucking now as we speak. As you're watching this, there's some motherfucker with 10,000 Bitcoin, and he's got some $1 million lawyers writing up a fucking futures contract application to send into the SEC. Brothers, look. This year is going to be nice. Nice. All right. And then look at this. And just one last coup de grace. This growth is complemented by an increased headcount. Over 150 new hires. Yeah, Circle just hired 150 new people. Why? Why? Well, I'll tell you who those 150 hires are. Yeah, you know what that is? That's their fucking trade desk. Or, sorry, not the trade desk, but look, I don't know this for sure, but believe me, I know markets, I know companies, I'll tell you. Those are their tech support people right there. 150 new hires? Yeah, to help all our clients get their OTC shit. Bang! 150 phone workers is basically what they did. I bet you that's a phone room, a call center. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, you need your OTC? Yes, sir. Let me look up your thing. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, we got those 10,000 Bitcoin for you. Bang, bang, bang. Yes, sir. Bang, bang, bang. We got your Ethereum. We got your Ripples. We got your this. Watch. Watch, brothers. Bang! That's exactly what those 150 hires are. 150 phone monkeys. What do you call that? Call center staff. Yeah, to handle these OTC things. So, blah, blah, blah. They bought Poloniex. All right, we're not going to talk about that. And so Circle also acquired Seed Invest. So now it's... and I bring this up because I want to... All right, hold on. Circle also acquired Seed Invest, which owns a registered broker-dealer and is the largest equity crowdfunding platform in the United States. The acquisition, although pending regulatory approval, reflects Circle's ambitions. And this is what I want to tell you. This is a new thing that came out today in Europe. Do you know you can buy Microsoft, Google, Facebook shares and all that? Now you can buy it with crypto. They're tokenized. Yep. I told you guys that would happen. Of course, they're going to tokenize everything in the world. And so today in Europe, the first, maybe I'll read about it tomorrow. The first tokenized stock exchange came out. An NASDAQ-powered, EU-regulated tokenized stock trading thing. I'm going to read that tomorrow. Actually, I have it right here, but I'm going to get you back to your wives and lives. I know I've been chatting. I just really wanted you to understand this OTC thing, though. You know, you're here to learn, right? You're here to learn stuff. And actually, you know, go look that up, OTC, over the counter. Look that up in investopedia.com, right? And you'll get a better description of what I just said. So the acquisition, although pending regulatory, we believe more traditional assets will become securitized through tokenization. We believe, and so I want to say this again, I want to say it slowly so you get it. We believe more traditional assets will become securitized through tokenization. Your Microsoft shares, your Facebook shares, yep, your Boeing shares, your Caterpillar, your Fords, all of them. And that includes shares in companies, and that's what he says. That includes shares in companies, debt, so bonds are debt, and other lending contracts. and other forms of property and value. So that's the future. The future is tokenization of everything. Look, man, in 20 years, your child is going to be tokenized. Your child is probably going to be born with a private key and a public key. I know that's a little radical. You never know. Look. Let's just stick with what we know is really happening today. Look. So bang, brothers. That's what I want you to know. When I point at you and I'm like, you're going to be rich. Guys, you're going to be rich. If you're new here, don't let these red markets fool you. Don't let these shitty prices fool you. These fuckers are stocking up behind the scenes. And that's why you have to build your cryptocurrency warehouse. That's why you have to build your cryptocurrency warehouse big and nice. You have to get the 36 working product. Actually, it was 41 working product. There was the 5 others that were on there. You got to get that 41 working product, and you got to build your cryptocurrency warehouse. Nice. Because look. Just like Noah knew there was a flood, you know there is money. How do you know? How do we know, Shamari? But I don't know. I see my Bitcoin. It went all the way down. It's 380 something thousand, or it's only 3,000 something. How do I know, Shamari? This is how you fucking know, fuckstick. This is how you fucking know. You think these guys are buying this shit for nothing? You think these guys are OTC buying for nothing? For a fucking joke? It's the window shop? You think Coinbase builds custody services where the minimum account level is 250 grand just for a joke? You are going to be rich, brothers. You are going to be rich, and this is the year. This is the year. This is the fucking year, buddy. You better get ready. And so, build your warehouse. You better get that shit built. Look. Get it built. Because here they come. OTC. That's big money talk. OTC. That ain't shit like us. Buying 1-2 Bitcoin. No, they buy 1,000, 2,000 Bitcoin, motherfucker. At a rip. Off rip. All right, I'm getting loose. Luck, the juice. You know me. Brothers, it's been a while, man. You know me, I love to talk that money. Bang! And here it is. Bang! Yes, I see you sons of bitches buying up all them Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bang! All right. So let's calm down, man, because I'll sit here and talk about this money right here. This OTC story is so good right here. Bang! All right, brothers. Let me get you to your wives and lives. I'm sorry. But look. Bang! Just look, though. Hold on. All right. All right. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's do our shout-outs and airdrops. Shill it and kill it. But you see what I'm talking about, brothers? That's what's going on behind the scenes. So if you ever have any doubt, I mean, I don't know what you're invested in, but if you ever think this thing's not going to work, oh, man, but look at the market, Shamari, man. They went down so much. Fuck that. See what's happening in the real world. Yeah, that's what's really happening. You just don't see it, right? And, you know, if you're new or whatever, I guess you wouldn't know to even read a story like this. You probably wouldn't have read it because you don't know what the fuck OTC is, so you would have just passed over this story. That's why you're here. Bang! Shamari gives you the fucking story because that's what's important. That's what's happening behind the scenes. That's what makes Shamari. That's what makes me and the boys here at Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. That's what makes us confident. Bang! That you're going to be rich because they're buying it all up. And what are they waiting for? What I show you guys? The rule book. Yeah, they know it's coming. They know the rule book is coming, so they're preparing now. Just like Noah. Just like you. What the fuck? Luck. What do you know? Noah, what made Noah special? Right? Noah and the ark. What made him special? He knew an event was coming, and he took action. Right? God told him a flood's coming. Noah lived in Mesopotamia. Modern day Iran. It's a desert. But he had faith. He had faith. Conviction. And while all the people around him, everyone, what do you think happened? Noah was building his ark. all the villagers and everyone around him were like, Noah, man, what the fuck are you doing, dude? He's like, I'm building an ark. Why? Because there's a flood coming. They were like, dude, we haven't even had rain in 2 years. What are you talking about? He's like, look. There's a flood. I got to get ready. And that's like you right now. You're a cryptocurrency person. You got your crypto investments. You are now trying to be part of the investor class like me, right? Well, all right. And what's happening? The same thing. What are you hearing? Oh, you're hearing a bunch of yap. Look. What are you hearing? From the boys, right? Your buddies right now. Oh, yap. Hey, man, John, man, it's a new year, man. Why don't you fuck that crypto shit? Come on, man, let's go to Vegas. Blah, blah, blah. I bet you your buddies wanted you to go to Vegas this weekend for New Year's, right? Spend your money on nonsense, right? Yap. Right? That's what you're hearing. Oh, why don't you come hunting with us anymore? Why don't you come to the clubs with us anymore? Why don't you come party with us anymore? Blah, blah, blah. The yap. And you're like, look. I got crypto to buy. Why? Why do you have crypto to buy? Because you know that. Bang. OTC trading desks are selling millions in volume. You're not an idiot. Why? Because you know that motherfuckers are onboarding, bang, record numbers of institutional investors to come and get the cryptocurrency that you own, right? So that's what you hear on that end, the yap. Oh, come on. Why don't you come? And ladies, bang, let's do one for the ladies. Your girlfriends. Hey, why don't you come shopping with us? Whatever you ladies do. Bang, right? And you got to tell them, nah, we're not doing that, right? Now, guys, gentlemen, back to the brothers. You hear the yap from the homies. But then what do you hear? Oh, fuck. And look. You know you bought your shit last January, February. And if you've been in this channel, we've been buying all the weekend shit all the way down. So your wife, I mean, she can do a little math. And she sees that, man, you put 70 grand into this bitch or however much you put in, and you're way down. So what do you got to hear over here? Oh, fuck. Here it comes. The yap. Honey, stop with that crypto shit. Come on, let's get a new kitchen. Let's get a new bathroom. Oh, shit. Come on, why don't you take me on vacation somewhere? Fuck. Look, sweetie. Look, sweetie. Settle down. Got to tell her to settle down. Right? All that yap. And they don't get it. That's just like Noah. They don't get it. Right? You tell them there's a flood coming. Sweetie, the reason we're not... Look, sweetie, I could buy you... You got to tell her. Sweetie, I can buy you a motherfucking kitchen right now. Or if you just wait a few years... Not a few. If you just wait a little while... We'll renovate 3 kitchens. Like, how's that? You know what I mean? But they don't want to hear that. They don't get it. But you're like Noah. Bang. Strong. Bang. Yes. Strong. Powerful. Educated. You know what the difference between a futures and an ETF is? Bang. You know what custodian services? Oh, did you see my guy the other day? He said hashtag custodianship. Bang. You know the power. You're not going to hear that yap. We're not hearing the yap. Look. We have a slogan around these parts. It's given to us by Justin Williams. And actually, Justin gave us some good information. And I'm going to talk about him later on tonight. You know how he does. He always drops a little something every once in a while. He's kind of in the cuts. He just comes out and he's like, yo, check this out. And then he dips back in the cuts. But he gave us a good word. You know what the slogan of Cryptocurrency Blockchain News is? 8 words. Shut up, wife. I'm about that hodl life. Bang. That's our slogan here. So new brothers, that's your slogan. Ladies, If you come up with one for the husband thing, I'll say it. I know Lisa, you try to, I don't know, she just raps to me on the on the comments. Luck. But that's our slogan here. Shut up, wife. I'm about that hodl life. We are not going to allow other people, because they don't know about OTC, because they don't know about ETFs, because they don't know. Yes, brothers, we're going to get deep up with this bitch. Because they don't know shit. We're not going to allow them to fuck with our money. You going to allow them to fuck with your money? Fuck that. You're idiots. Just like Noah. So just like Noah, brothers, that's like who you guys are. All these people, the yap in your ear, the yap in that ear. But what's going down? You're building an ark. You're building a warehouse. Bang! A cryptocurrency warehouse. Why are you building a cryptocurrency warehouse? Because why? Because bang! You know that OTC investors are coming. Oh, they're here. Just hidden. Just being sneaky about it for now. But they're here and they're going to buy all your warehouse when they get here. All of it. All of it. And that's why. And so what happened? Noah diligently went about his business. That's what I want you to do. 2019. Diligently go about your business. We haven't talked about it for a while. You know how I do it, brothers. 30% of my profits goes to cryptocurrency every month. I know I went a little crazy in November, December. I didn't adhere to the rules. But we're back in the normal mode again for January. Well, we're back in the normal mode. And that's how it goes. Every little paycheck, you got to put a little bit in. Bang! You build that warehouse a little bit higher. Bang! A little bit bigger. Bang! With strong quality products. It's not the quantity of the products. Remember we talked about this? You can have all the hemp coin and bullshit coin you want. That's not going to sell when they get here. You need quality products, working products that are being used by major Fortune 500 companies. Bang! That's how it's got to go down. You want to get rich? When these institutional investors get here, they're going to see that your coin is with Microsoft. Bang! They're going to see it's with IBM. Bang! Samsung, Sony, whoever. Fortune 500, that's what they're going to go for. That's what they're going to go for. I know. First, they're going to go for the Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum because they're commodities. But after that, oh my gosh. Major Fortune 500 companies, buddies, brothers, it's not rocket science. And you're going to make millions. Yes, like you will be rich. All right? And how so? How do you know, Shamari? Well, because motherfuckers are buying shit OTC sneaky. Sneaky, but they're not sneaky enough to get around cryptocurrency blockchain news. And just like Noah, so back, let's finish it up. What happened? What happened with Noah? Well, he built the ark. Just like your neighbors, your buddies, your this one, right? Think you're crazy. Well, guess what? Eventually the flood comes. Eventually the flood came. Yeah, it wiped them all away. Whoosh. And their animals. Whoosh. Yes, and who was laughing then? Who the fuck was laughing then? Noah and his family. Laughing their asses off, chilling on an ark. And that's what you're going to be. Right now you're building an ark. I know your money might be tight. Work is rough. You know, and I know, I mean, just, I've lived it too. You know, every penny needs to go to something. Some sort of bill or some sort of something. So, look, I can't tell you what to do with your money, but every penny you can put in to quality working product, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded. And remember this. He who laughs last, laughs best. So your friends might be laughing at you right now. I know. Yeah. Look at all your crypto. It's 80% down. I just looked at this thing on a website and it's 80% down. And he who laughs last, laughs best. And that's going to be you. You're going to be laughing last. They can laugh now. They can laugh now. But he who laughs last, 2020, look, 2020, you'll be laughing your ass off. And they'll be wondering why the fuck they spent all their money on that guns and ammo, on those whores and coke. Look, let's get real. You all know where I live, so let's not pretend. We know it's all about Lamborghinis and bikinis. Right? Yeah, that's where they blew their money on. Look. Shoveling all that shit up their nose. He who laughs last, laughs best. And believe me, brothers, if you're here at Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, if you're here with Shamari, you will be the last one laughing. You will be the last one laughing. Brothers, cackling like a maniac. That's how it's going to be. Bang. All right. So, have no fear. Here comes the OTC. And really, I guess the other thing to say about this OTC thing is this. Is like, guys, like I've been telling you, get that warehouse built. Build it now. Build it thick. Build it with quality goods. Bang. You got to. Because eventually they are going to arrive, just like the Noah's Ark. Just like Noah's Ark. Well, eventually the flood comes. And you don't want to be priced out of things, right? So, for instance, your V-Chains, your IOTA, and that. All right, whatever, man. Those are pennies. But your bigger stuff, your Ethereums, Litecoins, and Bitcoins, you don't want to be priced out. Do you see what I'm saying? And so, look, I don't tell anyone to do with their money, but I'm just saying, and I've been saying this for the last month and a half, get your large cap stuff now. Don't worry about the V-Chains, IOTAs, Stellars, Ripples, and that now. That'll all, fuck all that. Not fuck all that, I mean, but just when you make your money off your Bitcoins and Litecoins and Ethereums, yeah, you can buy all that. We talked about this. First tier, second tier, third tier, fourth tier. First tier stuff, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, already regulated. Second tier, stuff that's not regulated, but they are doing something. Your V-Chains, your IOTAs, your Stellars. I'd put Tron in there too. Yes, Tron lovers, I see you. Tron in there too. You're doing a lot of shit, especially today's story. And Cardano and Ontology. You got your little dev thing. So, I mean, working products. So that's tier 2. So major corporate sponsorship, but we just don't know what they're going to be classified as. Are they going to be classified as securities, or are they going to be classified as commodities? Bang! Then you got your tier 3 shit. Tier 3 is, well, you have a mainnet up, but it's not doing anything yet. But we'll see. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. We'll keep an eye out. And then you got your tier 4 stuff. That's just a bunch of crap, bunch of white papers running around doing nothing. I don't care about that crap. I don't even look at that crap. So, bang! That's how we got to look at it, brothers. Get your tier 1 shit now while you can. Prepare for the onslaught that's coming this year. And, right, and then you get your tier 2 stuff later. I know, that's how I'm going to do it. That's my personal opinion, only my opinion. I'm not telling you how to handle your money, though, brothers. All right, look. Man, Shamar, you really love that OTC shit. Look. Yes, I do. Because it shows me that what? That bang! That what? That institutional investors are on the way, dickhead. Yeah. And which means what? My cryptocurrency warehouse is going to be bang! Is going to go up in value. And so is yours. And that's why you, bang, are going to be rich. All right. So let's get to our shout outs and airdrops. Bang. Yes. What do we got? Andy256. See you, brother. Bang. What do we got? A new subscriber, follower, Crypto Junkie. All right, brother. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. Oh, and this is the master right here. Bang. Jaywell. That's Justin Williams. He's a computer programmer. And then he gave this. And that's what I'm saying. He's the master of information. Anyone confused about the Cantillon effect only needs to think of a... Actually, let's read this. Fuck all this. I wasn't going to read it, but fuck all that. Anyone confused about the cancel-on effect only needs to think of a single income family. The breadwinner, Washington, has direct access to the money, which they allow a certain percentage to trickle down to their spouse, billionaires. The children, the rest of us, will feel the short, long-term effects of the money. The type of food and or living conditions may change. However, they only receive a very small percentage of actual money, starting from the oldest, upper middle class, down to the smallest, lower class, amount for the youngest. Apply this example to the American economy, and you can understand why 99% of us have had, and then where does it? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, have had enough and are revolting. I wouldn't say I'm revolting, but I've had enough of that shit. But I have had enough of that shit. I think the Bernie Sanders people have had enough of that shit. And I know you libertarians have had enough of that shit. So luck. Let's get her done. Let's get her done in 2020. So bang. Justin Williams as well, brothers. Always, brother. You know you're one of the originals. Bang. Out to you, Justin. And then Edwin. This is our brother here, Edwin. Edwin's crazy. Bang. He said good shit on that shit. Where's Edwin's thing? Bang. Edwin, love you, brother. Love you, brother. That's our brother over there in Jersey. New Jersey. This son of a bitch right here. Wrong son of a bitch. Bang. He does it with the bang, bang, bang. That's Airdropper 007. That's our brother from long time. What do we got? Protect your Bitcoin. Bang. See you, brother. Wrong cash. See him. Lisa. Hey, girl. See you, girl. Bang. I told you. I thought she dropped some Gaelic on me. Some Gaelic on me the other day. She's from Ireland. Laurie Valeri. Bang. See you, brother. Oh, these are new subscribers. Bellamundv. All right, girl. See you. Bang. All right. Oh, look at this list right here. So what do we got? Mohammed Ozdogan. Bang. See you, brother. Eldono. Bang. See you, brother. Yes, that's the airdrop master. Bob at 8441320. Go there. Read the top 3 tutorials. If there's airdrops to be had, you will be ready for them. You will be ready. Motherfucker, you will be ready. Bang. Bob, see you, brother. Yes. Zero. All right, buddy. See you. Crypto fan. See you, brother. Bang. Jane Briston. Looks like a girl. See you, girl. Bang. Yes. Come on down to South Beach. Let's party, girl. Bang. DP Entertainment. See you, brother. Bang. Bitcoin Kana. See you, guy. Bang. Man, we have some interesting ones. Zohaib Salim. Brata. Yes, brother. Habibi. See you, brother. Metro Moto Spills. Bang. See you, brother. Yes, Moto Spills. I like that. Oh, and there we are with Bitcoin Kong, and we did this yesterday. So, bang, Bitcoin Kong. See you, brother. Bang. The bang bang made me do it. Look. Shmari made me do it. Sweetie. You got your wife. Ow, why are you buying all that Bitcoin? Look. The bang bang made me do it, sweetie. All right, brothers. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang. Let's shill it and kill it. Let's sell this son of a bitch right here. Selling it. Anyways, guys. So, man, we had a good story today. So, Ethereum hard fork, brothers. Remember that. Get your shit. Get your Ethereums on Binance or wherever, but Binance at least says they're going to support. And it sounds like they're going to support every fork or anything that might happen off of it. Binance is good like that when it comes to these forks and stuff. And so, in my opinion, I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but in my opinion, I'll just throw your Ethereums on Binance and hodl and wait. So, they're saying the fork could happen before the 14th. So, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. On the 10th, I'm going to throw my Ethereum on Binance, and I'm just going to wait. And when it's over, I'll put them back on my Ledger Nano, back into my, what do you call that shit? The safety deposit box in my bank account, okay? All right, Ripple hodlers. All right, well, there you go. Your National Bank of Kuwait is also using SWIFT. Just calm down, Ripple lovers. Your Ripples are going to do something, but you're going to be one of many things, okay? So just stop with the world takeover stuff and just be happy that, all right, you're doing something, you know? All right. Bang, Tron lovers. Pollywood. Bang, see you, brother. And the rest of his crew that come here from the guild chat. Crack zone. Man, that guild chat. That thing is evil. I went on there at like 10 p.m. Man, I didn't leave there till like 5 in the morning. And then the next day I went on. It was the same thing. It was like, it was too much. Right? You're having fun talking to people. But then, oh, this airdrop and that one. And then you're clicking, like, just look. Justin, son, stop it. That's naughty. But anyways, Tron lovers, bang. And now, though, the real deal. OTC sales are way up. OTC sales are happening. OTC sales only happen when motherfuckers know that motherfucking money is going to be made. Bang! And the big motherfuckers are doing that. They're buying not 1 Bitcoin, 1,000 Bitcoin. And they're coming here and they're preparing. And like I said, guys, this year is going to be regulatory clarity. Once that regulatory clarity hits, it is game on. You, bang, are going to be rich when this regulatory clarity hits. We all are. And so, and like I said, the comments thing, guys, so please comment today, man. I want to make sure this thing works, or I don't have it configured some way where I'm dissing you guys, because that's not my intention at all. So if you do comment tonight and your comment doesn't show up, it's not that I'm dissing you. I'm going to have to figure out what happened, all right? So, bang, that's it. So, guys, let's chill and kill it. Subscribe below. Please press the bell, and that's going to give you instant updates on whenever I upload a video. And that's it. This is the favorite time of my day. I love doing this for you guys. I love doing it. Like I said, I'm an 18-year investor, and I'm just here to make other people make money just like I'm about to make money. And that's what I love, and that's why I do this YouTube thing. It's not to get paid by YouTube. I'm not some fucking YouTuber. I'm an investor, and I want to help other people invest and make their lives a little bit better. So, bang, why not? Well, you want to do that, Shamari? Well, I don't know. Why not? All right, so love you guys. Bang, this is Shamari Clark. I'm always on duty. Bang. Over and out.